Here we go in 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh my gosh. Does that look amazing or what? Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And shout out to my buddy who sent this out to me. This is a very unique product I bring you today on the channel. Now, I did show this off on Twitter a couple weeks back, and what do you think this is? Well, you immediately notice this is a custom sign, but it's not just any sign, guys. It is a Neon Beach custom Frankie Tech Logo. Isn't that incredible? Now, shout out to my buddy who reached out on doing a review of one of Neon Beach's products. Now, I had not heard of Neon Beach before, but from what I know, they do custom neon signs in many different shapes and forms. And as you see here, you can use a lot of different colors with this type of product, and you can really design things to your heart's content. Now, when my buddy initially reached out, we were thinking of doing just something pretty basic, or maybe something that was already built in to the already hundreds of templates that they have for this type of thing. But they wanted to go a step further, and they offered to do for me a custom Frankie Tech logo in neon. And guys, I'm shooting right now with the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra that I think will be the perfect camera to test out the nighttime capabilities, showing off this sign right here. But before we do that, I want to tell you a bit of the process and experience with this company. So you may have heard about Neon Beach before, but basically the way it works, you either select from one of their template designs, but you can also go ahead and design your own custom template, which is exactly what I did. When I reached out to my buddy, I basically gave him the PNG of my logo, as you see it right here, and literally within a couple of days of sending the images, the designers for Neon Beach already had my Frankie Tech logo set up with the exact same colors that I wanted to include. And within a short period of time after that, this custom Frankie Tech neon sign came to my house. It was an easy unboxing experience, and then when we turned off the lights and turned this thing on, it was an incredible moment. And to show you guys, this is connected, of course, to a cable, and you do actually have a light switch, but what's even better is this. And this is an LED controller that is plugged in on the other side to the outlet, and what that LED controller enables is this custom remote for your neon sign. So I can basically turn this off, turn this back on, and I can even do different modes. So I can lower the brightness as well. You can also set a timer from 5 up to 60 minutes, and there's various modes that you can do as well. And you can also increase the speed of that mode. So if we really want to get crazy in here, let's speed it up. Oh yeah, there we go. And we're just going to go back to the regular mode just by pressing light. And all in all, guys, it's a super simple way to use a neon light. Of course, this can be mounted. At the moment, we're still waiting on permission to be able to actually drill, but I can't wait to get this up on my wall because I do think it's going to look amazing. But for this initial unboxing experience, as I said, I'm shooting with the Mi 11 Ultra, and this is a great chance to test out the low light capabilities of this incredible flagship Xiaomi phone and also see this sign in full glory in the dark. Alright guys, so I've fully blacked out my curtains as much as I can, and let's see how the Mi 11 Ultra does with such low light capabilities, but with also getting this neon sign in its full glory. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh my gosh. Does that look amazing or what? And seriously guys, it is just, from the moment I did this the first time, as impressive as it appears now. Of course, you've got this very nice sturdy plexiglass here on the back, and these neon tubes are actually made of this kind of rubbery plastic, so they're not made of glass, which I know for the neon purists might not be ideal, but for me, honestly, it's good enough, and it also gives me peace of mind that this thing is not going to fall and shatter into a million pieces. And overall, it is well built. Yes, there's a few seams here and there that you can tell aren't perfect, but overall, this is just such a striking object to have in your house. And once you combine the customization you can have using the remote and all the custom designs that you can achieve with this neon beach sign, I think this is the perfect gift to yourself, either as a creator or even as someone who just wants some great neon art for their home. And all in all, I'm super happy with the way this Frankie Tech custom sign has turned out. Thanks to my buddy for arranging it, and stay tuned, of course. If I am finally able to get this thing mounted up, I will come back with another video on that process as well. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Neon Beach custom Frankie Tech design? And would you ever consider doing one of these awesome neon signs for your office or home? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks once again to my buddy and to Neon Beach for this awesome sign. And of course, shout out to the Mi 11 Ultra with its high quality night mode video that made all the difference. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. So cool, guys. So cool.